Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for administrators of organization accounts. I'll be showing you how to view the teachers and students connected to your subscription. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, you'll see the organization button to the left. Click this button and click Team from the drop-down menu. If you do not have the organization button on your account and should be the admin, please let us know. On the team page, you'll get an overview of your licenses, and when you scroll down, you'll see the list of teachers connected to this subscription. Click the three dots next to the teacher you'd like to view, and click View Classroom from the menu. On this page, you'll see the teacher's profile information, and when you scroll down, you'll see the classes they have created or are a part of. You can see the role they play if they are lead teacher or co-teacher, how many students are in the class, and the level of the class. If you'd like to search for a class, you can type the class name here. And if the teacher has any archived classes, you can view that by clicking Archived. Click the class name to bring you to the lesson planner. Here you can view all of the lessons in each 3 columns and make any changes if necessary. Admins are able to drag lesson cards to different categories and can click the card to edit any of the details. This includes adding a due date, posting your own link to your Google Classroom or to an LMS of your choice, as well as under the Scheduling tab, you can add an optional start date and due date. Admins can also go into a teacher's content drawer and view any of the materials saved or recommended and add them to the class. To view the students in the teacher's class, click the Students tab at the top. Here you can see the list of students, search for a student, or invite a student to the class with the options on the left. Lastly, admins are able to view and edit any details of the class by clicking Details at the top. If any changes are made, don't forget to click the blue Save button at the bottom. That's it for this video on how to view teachers and students connected to your organization account. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.